Hello, how are you doing today? Just wanted to talk a little bit about the Sologenic exchange and the learn how to claim core airdrop and for solo holders. So basically, I just came here to sologenic.com. That's where you can go. And I clicked access DEX, and it has the announcement, which we will go over. So when I click on the DEX, this is what it looks like. And so this, you'll connect your wallet here. When you do connect wallet, these are the ones that are being supported. If you did the airdrop and you got the trust line in the Zoom app, then maybe if you already have that, you can connect that, or a ledger device, Decent, or Solo wallet. Those are the options. So you'll just connect like you would on any decentralized exchange. And then you can buy and sell here. You know, if you have it in your wallet, it should show up, and you can sell, 25%, 50%, whatever, place an order, buy or sell. And anyway, so I just wanted to show you where it is. And they do look like a tutorial here, how to send and receive crypto payments. Okay. And then I guess this is their main net. That was their test net, so just make sure you're on the main net. Um, and then when I clicked on, if you go here, you click on it, it'll take you to this Medium article. Corium airdrop 100 million for Sologenic community. So basically, I just came down here. When will the snapshot be taken? This talks about the distributing. Okay, so how will the core airdrop be distributed? So a lot of people are wondering, how am I going to get this? Since all solo holders automatically have a trust line with Sologenic Gateway, they are not required to take any action to participate in the core airdrop. At the time of the initial core IOU distribution on the XRLP, all participants must create a trust line with the Corium Gateway and able to receive its core token deposits. More information will be released January 22. It's saying here that if you have the trust line with the Sologenic, you're not required any action to participate. So I guess as long as you have that right now, then they know that you should be getting this. Okay, so if you hold it on a centralized exchange solo, we'll need to periodically check to see if their exchange is supporting the core airdrop. So it's better to hold it in one of these wallets, because then you don't have to wonder if your exchange is going to support it. But basically it's saying as long as you have the Sologenic trust line, then you don't have to, they are not required to take any action to participate in the core airdrop. So but it also says here all participants must create a trust line with the Corium Gateway to be able to receive the score tokens. More information on this to be released late January 2022. So yeah, so I guess for right now, as long as you have the Sologenic trust line, you don't really have to worry about it. And I mean, probably towards the end of January, like the last day, you can check back to see if they've updated it. yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.